Yeah, lake yan. Parang dagat, di ba?
He wants to explore. And then City Burger.
So Che was asked to take pictures of two tourists. Oh my god! What a beaut! Careful, Che! Hi guys! After 5 hectic days in Los Angeles, my sister and I have finally landed here at San Francisco International Airport to explore San Francisco. But we are hitting a pause on urban chaos by doing something different first, and that is we'll go on a day trip to South Lake Tahoe. And this trip is also extra special because we will be doing it with my high school friends, Cherry and Rocky. Cherry and Rocky, whom I haven't seen in 4 years. So it feels surreal already. At the same time, I'm excited because we are exploring South Lake Tahoe through a local's perspective since they've been living here for decades already. So in this vlog, expect a little reunion, a little road trip chaos maybe, breathtaking views, and the answer to the question, is South Lake Tahoe really worth the day trip? Or is driving from San Francisco to South Lake Tahoe for several hours just to explore the area for a day worth it? So stay tuned and come join us!
This is Amber, and that's Marble in the back.
Hi Amber! Hi Marble! So guys, meet my friends,
Hi.
Cherry and
Hello.
her husband Rocky.
Hi.
So,
Meet again.
yes, after 4 years!
Yeah, 4 years
4
now.
years na. So Cherry and Rocky are bringing us to South Lake Tahoe
Yeah.
for a day.
Since it's quite late, we're not really gonna head directly to Lake Tahoe. We're gonna stop by in Pollock Pines, about an hour away.
Okay.
Because we don't want to be caught without the sun doing the windy road. And it's quite dark. And
Yeah.
it's better for you to enter Lake Tahoe during the day so you could see all the, the view and the lake when we enter.
So do you guys love South Lake Tahoe? That's why you're bringing us there. What's in South Lake Tahoe?
Maybe once a year we go there. There's a whole lot of things to do. It depends on what season you're going. If you're going for during winter, then you do the skiing, snowboarding, that kind of thing, tubing. For summertime, like right now, you could go kayaking, hiking, and just sightseeing in general.
How many hours is it from San Francisco?
From here, it's going to be about 3 hours, but because of traffic, it could take us 4 or 5 hours, depending on where we get stuck.
We're blessed. We have you guys, and you're driving us there. But if ever we're independent travelers or we don't have friends here, can we travel to South Lake Tahoe from San Francisco?
Yeah, you definitely could by renting a car.
Oh.
If not, the quickest way would be to fly into Reno, because Reno to Lake Tahoe, like North Lake Tahoe, would be only about 45 minutes. So it's quicker over there. Or you could take an Amtrak from here to Sacramento, and then Sacramento to Truckee. And then from Truckee, you could take a bus. Like there's a public bus that goes from Truckee to Lake Tahoe. So it's still possible, but you will definitely have to do your time logistics.
Yes.
And it won't be as convenient because,
That's
you're depending on public transport.
why we're so blessed to have you. Okay, last question. So our strategy is we sleep muna sa Pollock Pines.
Yeah.
What's Pollock Pines? Is that a place?
It's just a place before you hit the El Dorado National Forest.
Mm-mm.
So it's already up there, but it's not Tahoe yet.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's gonna be wooded because you're closer to the National Forest.
Okay, I'm excited. Che, why do you like South Lake Tahoe?
Why do I like?
Yeah.
Well, it's nature.
Nature. You love
I
nature.
love nature. I love being close to nature.
What kind of travelers should go to Lake Tahoe?
Well, those who love to hike, those who love to do outdoorsy stuff, they should go to Lake Tahoe. Even if just sightseeing, if you don't want to hike, you would still enjoy Lake Tahoe.
Alright, I'm excited. I'm hyped. I'm hyped. We're finally here.
Hi.
Welcome.
He gave us wine.
We have wine.
Wow.
Let's turn on our stuff.
It's actually very modern yung house, guys. From outside, it looks like a cabin in the woods. Pero pagdating dito, tingnan mo yung design, interior design, very white, minimalist design. And yun si Che. So nag-house tour ako. She found this through Agoda. Airbnb pala, Airbnb. But of course, you know, guys, if you're booking through Klook, I have a discount code, Klook promo code. So makaka-discount kayo. So book through Klook using Klook promo code so you can have a cabin accommodation just like this. Wow! Okay, so let's move on with our tour. So actually, yung tour, ang daming andito na may percolator, may mga ladles, mga kitchen utensils, merong gas range, merong microwave, kitchen towel, toaster, may mga yung dishwashing soap and hand soap. Meron ng coffee, ang tawag ito? Coffee machine. And all the grounded coffee, sugar, coffee mate. At may Wi-Fi. Oh. And the Friends game. Anong tawag ito? Ito yung game na popular sa Friends. Foosball, yeah. Yan. Pero of course, if you're traveling for a long time, perfect ang washing machine and dryer na nandito. Ang laki-laki at very spacious ng sala with TV and have you. And, wow, ang cool ng fireplace. Ito yung kanilang dining area. Diba? And then may deck daw. Here's the deck. Oh my God! Yan. All around ang deck. At may view ka ng woods. Yan, Nice. Oh my God, this is our oh my God, ang laki ng CR. Dalawa, his and her. Tapos may shower dito. Yung toilet nila ay parang sa Japanese. Japanese toilet. Ang ganang CR. So, that's it. That's the cabin tour. Sobrang ganito pala yung cabin in the woods. We're staying here for the night because tomorrow we are going finally to South Lake Tahoe. But for now, relax muna kami. We'll eat dinner. We'll wash laundry. Hindi pa namin nalaman ang mga laundry namin for 5 days. And we'll just chill alang out. And tomorrow, we'll see you in South Lake Tahoe. About the time. Actually, I don't know how to use this. We'll just put everything here. Amo una na mong jeans.
Yeah, I think the sabon goes here.
And then we have to put
water. Oh yeah, it automatically tudlayan.
How do we use this? There's nothing like this in the Philippines. We put the sabon here.
Yeah.
This is the washer, that's the dryer.
Yeah, I think
Okay.
so. Yeah. Well, yeah, it says heavy.
Mm-mm.
I think mo pili tag kuan. Rapid wash or normal lang?
Normal.
Normal. And then, I guess, 38 minutes on normal. Usually, kaya ako man gina-turn on na yung ibutangan na ako sabon.
Oo. Saan pag-turn on?
Kanin.
Okay.
That's it.
Grabe naman our host. We're having a feast.
Not really.
Korean. Thank you so much to our host. My gosh, the best host ever in America. Charot lang. Baka naman magalit yung mga ibang naging host ko, diba? So you've been here since 2000.
Yeah.
What the year did the love story start?
2019.
What? 19 years? What took you so
2019.
long? What took you so long? What took you so long? 19 years.
So long. I haven't seen you anywhere.
The Lord told him. 2017 ba to?
Really? Really? How? How? I'm curious. It's
I was
America.
really praying. I
Yeah.
was praying for a mate. Yeah, and then I prayed hard because I really wanted a mate that would match me,
Mm-mm.
and I prayed hard, and the Lord impressed in my heart.
Okay.
It's okay. I don't know. It's just like you know how like there's like an overwhelming feeling inside that I could not understand. When
But you were
pray.
already chatting with her then. Constant communication na.
Well, not really. No.
2017.
No.
So nauna
Ah,
kitang
yun.
sign like that it's chat before you started
Yeah.
communicating with her.
Yeah, and I did not really believe it because like why chat like like why chat it's like she's everywhere. It's like
What do you mean we're just everywhere?
Worlds were different.
Yeah,
I
worlds
was
are
like
different.
always
like-
traveling.
Yeah,
go.
that's why we became friends after college.
Yeah,
We
and
became
then
closer
he
after
was,
college.
I'm
just
just like
settled in one
settled in one place.
place. Like
Mm-mm.
you
She's
know.
like everywhere. So
She's an
That's
Our
what I
lives
mean.
were different.
Mhm.
So why me down?
we're
I
like
mean,
so
we're
different.
we're of the same faith, but we're living different lives.
Yeah, different
But,
lifestyle.
So that's why I did not believe at first that kind of the impression that I had.
Mm-mm.
So it's
Di
like
ba, wala,
yeah.
What changed?
And then again, I keep praying. And in 2019, it's the same impression. Yeah.
Yeah, dito na siya, sige, constant na siya mo comment, mo
Pasok.
message, ano,
Comment sa mga pictures.
pictures niya mo, message pa siya sa ako nga. Sa to, ako may photographer, sa to, something like that. Yeah, mga cheesy stuff.
Mm-mm.
She also prayed. Your side of the story.
Yeah, I know. Chacha's
Yeah,
side is very dramatic. I don't think she will want it in the vlog.
She'll start praying.
But yeah, you've had heartbreaks, so we're also praying for the one.
I mean, I was praying, but I wasn't like so focused into
Looking
looking for a husband or a mate.
Mm-mm.
I know I was getting old, but I was enjoying life. I came to a point na I didn't really need anybody. Like
Yeah,
I
you were a strong, independent girly, right?
exactly. And everything changed when you came along. I'm not as strong and independent anymore.
Finally found someone.
Something like that.
Uh,
So yeah,
That's
so
nice.
I prayed and then I asked for signs and siya,
Mm-mm.
ang bigay ng may kapal.
Ikaw.
Yeah.
Ang saya. So guys, pray and
Really
ask for a
not
sign.
Take really long. Kasi
We've known each other
Yeah.
since childhood, so you know. And then I was reminding him, not reminding him, I was telling him that pretty soon we'll be 40,
Mm.
and
So-
so
why wait that long? You know.
so I think
Your
14
courtship is
season wise, it was just we became boyfriend and girlfriend in October, but we've been talking the entire year already.
Yeah.
October, and then we got married January.
Wait, so when we were in Seoul, that was the start of your relationship. That was October, right?
Yeah.
2019.
We were
Oh.
together.
Yeah, we were already boyfriend
Together,
girlfriend.
yeah. For the first time sa travel, palagi lang nasa phone si Cheche. Hindi na tulad dati.
So we decided to just get married right away. Why do we have to wait? We already know each other.
Mm-mm.
Because we knew.
And we already know
Yeah.
it's heading that way. So why not go ahead?
Speed up the process.
Yeah.
Nice. Sana all, guys. Sana. Thank you for sharing. But of course, this is a travel vlog. So I'm asking you different lifestyle. She's a well-traveled person. You always stay in one place. So paano yung compromise niyan? Ano natutunan mo sa kanya? Because sobrang ang galing mag-travel ito. Backpacker. Lahat na na-try niya mula pagkabata. Hostel, budget traveler, lahat. Di ba? Parang ngayon, luxury traveler na siya. So, was it difficult to convince him because he wasn't
No,
a traveler?
No, it wasn't.
Mm.
It wasn't at all. It was easy to have him tag along, and I guess he
Yeah.
became addicted at some
No,
point to,
addicted.
or to the traveling.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, at some point. But now that we've got cats, we can't really travel as
Yeah,
much
so
because we have to think
we talked more about
The
like
cats.
when and the cats
and if we have to leave them, where we could go, where we could take them with
we have to
us.
like
Because it's a lot of logistics, like hotels wise,
Mhm.
kung sa plane,
Oo.
kung sa country, what the country needs if we bring our cats with us. 'Cause they're not just pets, they're family, they're
Yeah,
children.
they're-
So
My sister can relate. Anyway, thank you for sharing your story for my vlog. So, I'm going to earn money from this. Kain mo na kami, guys. And then tomorrow, we will see you in South Lake Tahoe. Good night.
So tired, but we have to start today. Good morning. Morning. So
did you
it's
sleep well?
yeah.
What did you want to eat? Bread?
Okay, ako.
Potato?
Early birds kaya mo. What time did you wake up?
Mga...
For 7.
7. My God. Ano? Sobrang tulog ko. Morning, Teng. Good morning, guys. Sobrang groggy pa ako. I'm so sorry. But yeah, sobrang comfortable ng tulog. Talagang tama lang yung lamig dito. Sayang talaga hindi buong araw kaming nandito kasi ang saya talaga sa place na to. Ano. Sobrang thankful ako kay Cherry Adraki for booking this place and for making us experience the cabin in the woods life. Ayan, diba? Kala ko nga horror eh. Pero sobrang comfy ng tulog. Ay, grabe. So, right now, stretching na muna and then we are going to prepare to explore South Lake Tahoe, which is just 1 hour away from here dito sa Polak Pine. Sunod na siya. Peanut butter jelly sandwich, guys. From Smuckers. Lakas makamayaman talaga dito sa Amerika. Napo de ladies choice there.
Filipino store.
Filipino store. We just finished repacking our stuff and putting them in the car because we're now on our way to South Lake Tahoe. Goodbye, cabin in the woods. It has been a pleasure living there or staying there for the night. What an American experience.
Che, what's the concept sa itinerary na ginawa mo? Because I'm really scared. We are not hikers. Even if we're wearing shorts right now.
We're just gonna do little stops, so it's not really hardcore hiking, just walks. So even if you don't hike, you don't have to be scared to go see Lake Tahoe or visit Lake Tahoe because there are short, scenic overlooks that don't really need, super hardcore walking or hiking. So easy walks.
So non-hikers, no, don't be fearful. There are scenic stops, but we are blessed because we have these two who planned everything for us. So I guess first tip, have locals who can guide you. But watch this vlog so you will be guided. Oh, eto na, eto na. I'm so excited. Welcome to South Lake Tahoe. So here we are in our first stop, the Welcome Lake Tahoe sign. So andito na talaga kami sa South Lake Tahoe, guys. And our guide, Cherry May, taught me some trivia about South Lake Tahoe or Lake Tahoe. Lake Tahoe is actually the largest alpine lake in North America and the second deepest lake after the Crater Lake in Oregon. O, di ba? Alam ko yan. So, nakaka-excite na makita yung sobrang laki niya. And kaya siya alpine lake kasi yung water source niya ay galing sa elevated area. In fact, may mga more than 60 lakes kung saan galing yung source ng tubig. Pero mamaya na yun dahil magpipicture muna kami dito sa signage ng Welcome Lake Tahoe. So we just had our picture taken sa landmark sign na Welcome South Lake Tahoe. And more trivia, yung welcome sign is the most photographed landmark sa South Lake Tahoe. Okay? So now we're on our way to the Emerald Bay viewpoint. Sabi nila dun makikita ang iconic views, breathtaking views ng South Lake Tahoe. So I'm excited. Tara! Excited.
This is the exclusive table with the view. This is your name on the list. This is 3 times points on dining with Chase Sapphire Reserve.
Look at the road, guys. Walang guardrail. Shook! Ganun ka kaagad sa South Lake Tahoe. So, ayun, naghihintay kaming umakyat sa Emerald Bay Lookout. So, look guys, ito yung Emerald Bay Lookout. It's the only inlet sa South Lake Tahoe. So, sa taas kami niyan for the lookout. Inlet meaning, papasok. Kasi ito yung buong South Lake Tahoe. Yan. Ang laki niya. Oh, yan. Tapos, dito kami sa Emerald Bay. Yan, sinadelay kami guys kasi may tino na 18-wheeler truck. Nagkamali siya ng turn. Tapos, hindi pala niya kaya. Kaya ayan, ito yung service. At ito yung truck na tino. Amazing pa rin kasi nakita namin paano ito ang 18-wheeler. First time namin makita. So ito ngayon, kaya nagka-traffic ngayon dito. Papunta sa Emerald Bay Lookout. Ayan. Pero we're on our way and I will show you the views once we're up. So we're now here sa Emerald Bay Lookout and renewal capture ko na. So you will see the view and you will see my reaction. Dun, dun, dun. Our first view of South Lake Tahoe. Wow! Nakikita ko na guys. Oh my God! Oh my God! Ito na yung steps. And then nagpapipicture na ako na overtake na ako. Oh my God, look. Wow! Wow! Oh my God! Guys! This is Emerald Bay. Wow. So that's the Emerald Bay Lookout. Where are we headed next, Sherry?
Easy one. We're gonna do a quick hike to Eagle Falls.
I'm excited. Hike. So where are we now, Chat?
We are at the trailhead of Eagle Falls. It's the gateway to the wilderness, Desolation Wilderness. So we're gonna do a really quick hike on this trail. This trail is really long, but we're just gonna do the trail up to the falls.
Just for us to experience.
Yeah.
Ang sa ting, kaya?
Kaya.
Ito na ang mga non-hikers. But actually guys, well, sa first part, medyo okay siya kasi tingnan nyo naman. May hagdanan. So ito yung Eagle Falls trailhead. Let's go!
Kapoy. Mayor ka? Of course, you can always stop while hiking for photo ops, like what my sister is doing now with Cheche as our main photographer. There. Just look, guys, look at the background, right? Nice, right?
I want you to make me uncomfortable.
And since hindi naman talaga kami aakyat papuntang Eagle Falls, that will be our pit stop. The bridge there. Andun na yung sina Cherry May and my sister. Look. Yan. Say hi to the vlog! Look at the bridge. And party siya sa falls.
So this water comes from Eagle Lake. Eagle Lake is still a few miles up. And it falls down to Lake Tahoe.
So it's one of
It's one of the little tributaries, as they call it. And then if you continue on the trail, it goes into Desolation Wilderness, the outback.
Go Che! So Che was asked to take pictures of the tourists. Right. Pababa na kami ng trail, guys. Pababa na kami. I'm scared because I'm not a hiker. And I had an ankle surgery. Wow, defensive.
You can do it.
But it was so worth it. So guys, I just discovered pala upon going down sa Eagle Trail hike na if you don't have a car, you can actually wait for the shuttle here. Which basically means that you can actually do a self-guided tour dito sa South Lake Tahoe. Hingal, nasa baba na from Eagle Trail hike. Okay? We just arrived sa isa pang lookout at ito yung Inspiration Point. So, this is the most popular lookout kasi hindi kailangang umakyat. So, lahat talaga ng mga turista nandito raw at yes, siya tinawag na Inspiration Point kasi pag nakita mo yung views, may inspire ka. And so, I'll show you the views, guys, of South Lake Tahoe and I hope you get inspired too dito sa Inspiration Point. So, ang view sa Inspiration Point actually, may blockage ng trees. So, for me, mas maganda yung view ng Emerald Bay. Kaya naman may mga telescopes na nandito na pwede mong lagyan ng 2 quarters para mas ma-appreciate mo yung view. At yun yung gagawin ng sister ko ngayon. So, ayan, lalagyan ng sister ko ng 2 quarters yung telescope so she can see the view more clearly. So you can actually see the lighthouse, no? From that island over there. Dito sa telescope. And there's a speedboat. So that's Inspiration Point. Now we are headed to another pit stop and the pit stop is so Pope Beach. First, I thought this is a lake, but why is it called a beach?
Because it has a beach, it has a sand.
And why is it a Pope Beach? Why?
I don't know. Maybe the Pope visited one time, a long time ago, and they called it after him, whoever that pope was.
Wait, you have a trivia that you told me earlier.
Oh, Lake Tahoe became famous because sometime in the 1980s, I think, we had the Winter Olympics here. So that showcased Lake Tahoe to the whole world. So now it's popular with, visitors from other countries.
Good trivia. Thanks, Kuya Kim. Hope Beach, here we come.
Daddy's gonna go swimming.
A few moments later.
So apparently there's a new rule. The Pope does not allow pets anymore. But Cherry and Rocky went here before and their cats were allowed to enter then. So I guess there's a new rule. But it's okay. It's a fake beach anyway. It's a lake. Why do they call it a beach, right? Pero wag kayong mag-alala, yung mga animal lovers, there's an alternative beach na pwede yung mga pets nyo. At yun ay ang Kiva Beach. At doon kami pupunta ngayon. So, bye Pope. We'll go Kiva. We are finally in the pet-friendly Kiva Beach. At syempre, dahil pet-friendly siya, Amber and Marble are going out. Magsustroller sila guys. Dahil gagala na sila finally sa beach. Hi Marble! So high tide siya. So hanggang dito lang kami. But at least the cats are having a blast. And they're looking at the beach. Look at the cats. They're so cute. Amber! Ang cute-cute na Amber at ni Marble, guys. Na nakalabas sa beach. Amazed na amazed sila. So, right now, since high tide siya, ayan, kakain muna kami ng pre-lunch, parang pre-cocktail, pre-drinks. So, we'll replenish ourselves a bit, eat some sugar, and some refreshments bago kami mag-lunch sa Heavenly Village. It's 3:30 p.m. at nakarating na rin kami dito sa Heavenly Village. Yung Heavenly Village, para siyang mall nila dito sa South Lake Tahoe. And in fact, pag winter daw dito, may gondola na that will bring you up to the mountains. Syempre, summer ngayon, kaya hindi operational yung mga gondola. But yun, very, ang aesthetic niya, very South Lake Tahoe. Look, made of wood, tas outside mall siya. Tapos ngayon, we're going to have late lunch dito sa Base Camp Pizza Company. So, masarap daw yung mga pizza dito. We're going to have an Italian lunch. And I'm just really excited. Kasi gutom na ako. And tingnan nyo naman si Marble at si Amber, kumakain na sila. Nauna na sila sa amin. So, lots of food options in this area. But I choose this because this is one of the best. Welcome to Nevada. We're in Nevada now, guys. But, still in South Lake Tahoe. Ito yung sinabi ko kanina na hindi dinidivide ang Lake Tahoe sa dalawang states, kundi sa north or south. So, parang maraming casino. Ito ba yun? Yeah. Kasi Nevada, the state of Las Vegas, the state of casino. We are now at the trailhead of Cave Rock, and we're on our way to the top of Cave Rock to hike. Why is it called Cave Rock, Che?
If you've noticed when we crossed it, it looks like a little cave and it's a rock. It's not really a cave, but it looks like a cave.
What should we expect there?
360-degree view of Lake Tahoe. The California and the Nevada side, you'll see it from up there.
Dito pa lang may view na. Pero lakad tayo, nauna na sila.
It's a hiking day, but you know what? This is a basic hike. Kayang-kaya. Hihingalin nga lang kayo if you're not exercising, but hindi siya nakakatakot. So, I guess South Lake Tahoe is really for people who love to hike, who's a beginner hiker. Yun, perfect siya. Kasi yung mga trails, may mga simple trails, difficult trails, but more importantly, the views are giving. Look at that. Yes. Shade. Yeah. We rest. We're almost there. Yes. We are finally here at the base of the top of Cave Rock, but we will not scramble there. Dito lang kami sa may viewpoint kasi we're titos and titas who are beginner hikers. So, we can't do that. Ang totoo, kung kaya nyo mag-scramble doon sa taas, better talaga kasi 360 yung views. But for the beginner hikers, this is not bad at all. Look at her. Oh my God. What a beaut. Careful, Che. We're scared. Wait, I'll take a picture of you. So we finished taking our pictures and doing TikToks sa spot na pinakwenta ko kanina kasi ang ganda-ganda ng view ng highway, ng lake, ng snow-capped mountains, frozen dun sa background. Kahit saan, ma-relax ka talaga. Perfect for dates, for family and friends. So yun ha, that's Cave Rock. Hike Cave Rock from the trailhead up to the top. Pero kung hindi kaya, dun sa photo op spot na pinuntahan namin. 2 thumbs up! So habang papunta kami sa Kings Beach, north side ng Lake Tahoe, I think ang question ko muna sa inyo na for sure will help my viewers, wow, kaya yun, is what's the best season to visit South Lake Tahoe? Because right now, sobrang amazed ako sa mga views already, but is there a better season to visit South Lake Tahoe? And ano naman ang season to avoid visiting Lake Tahoe?
Well, I guess it depends. It depends on what your sport is. If you like skiing, then obviously you come here during winter. If you like snowboarding, you come here winter. If you like outdoors and hiking, then you come summer or before summer when the snow has melted already. So it really depends on you. There's so much to do in this area the whole year round. So, but peak season is summertime because that's when the families come over here and camp out, do all their water sports and hiking and camping and all that jazz.
And then, ano usually mga mistakes na nagagawa ng tourists, yung mga misinterpretation nila about South Lake Tahoe, especially yung mga walang alam about South Lake Tahoe?
You can definitely do it in a day, but it's limited. Like things, you can't really hike a long trail. You can't see all the spots, obviously. If you concentrate on South Lake Tahoe lang, then obviously you'll be able to cover a whole bunch of places. But it's better to do Lake Tahoe more than a day. That's what I feel. 2 days, 3 days, you'd be able to enjoy it. You can still enjoy it half a day or a day trip, but I think you'd enjoy it more if you spend more days.
Like the mistake that people make is just driving around Tahoe and not really experiencing and going to the lake itself and swimming or kayaking or even during winter skiing. So you have to experience Tahoe, not just drive around. I mean, driving around is good. It's nice. You see all the views. But to experience it, you got to go down and get dirty.
We are finally in Kings Beach. Grabe guys, so cold pero ang ganda ng view. Para siyang beach ha, kahit na nasa lake.
Oo, tingnan nyo oh. Look. I'll show you the views. So, this is Kings Beach and I have a surprise for you guys. Alam ko ang vlog na to is about South Lake Tahoe, but Kings Beach is actually in North Lake Tahoe. So, ayan, nakakita pa kayo ng views from North Lake Tahoe at ito ngayong Kings Beach. So, ang tanong ngayon, is it worth the day trip? Worth it bang mag-day trip sa South Lake Tahoe? At ang sagot ko ay yes. Super worth it mag-day trip sa South Lake Tahoe even for just the breathtaking views na alam mong very priceless. Especially from us who come from a tropical location. Walang-wala to. Iba ang terrain, iba yung landscape, iba yung body of water. Yun. Pero of course, if you have more time, wag lang mag-day trip. Spend 2 or 3 days here so you can really have a full immersive experience of South Lake Tahoe. And I guess kaya rin siguro special to kahit saan kaming lugar pinila nila is because I was able to reunite with my high school friends, Sherry and Rocky, whom I've been friends with since 30 years ago. Ganun na kami katanda. So that's my South Lake Tahoe vlog. Hope you enjoy watching this vlog. Again, if you are going to go on a trip or on a vacation and you want to save up on your travel accommodation, book through Klook using my promo code BOBOROLKLOOK. If you like this vlog, please do share this, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel for more travel content. Thank you!